My name is Mark Moses Burgos, first year criminology student, section 1D. Article 1, National Authority. Article 2, Declaration of Principle and State Policies. Article 3, Bill of Rights. Article 4, Citizenship. Article 5, Suffrage. Article 6, Legislative Department. Article 7, Executive Department. Article 8, Judicial Department. Article 9, Constitutional Commission. Article 10, Local Government. Article 11, Accountability of Public Officers. Article 12, National Economy and Patrimony. Article 13, Social Justice and Human Rights. Article 14, Education, Science and Technology, Art, Culture and Sports. Article 15, The Family. Article 16, General Provision. Article 17, Amendment Revision. Article 18, Transitory Provision.